welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to continue with our Harshek Titanic build. So we are going to do issue 103 of Build the Titanic. Now in today's issue we get a part that's humongous. It's bigger than any part we've got on this build so far. It is huge. It came in a massive bag when I got this pack. And yeah, this is the base for the stand, what we're going to see today. Now I haven't got it out of its pack yet. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open it on camera because this piece is huge and you really want to see what it's like. It is humongous and it's got some weight to it as well. So I think it is wood, but we'll see more when we get over there because I haven't even opened it myself to check it. I just kept it in its box because I want to be pleasantly surprised as much as you are on this build. So yeah, I can't wait to get started today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, I think I'm best going for the overhead camera on this one because yeah, it's going to be hard to fit this in. But this is issue 103. It's still sealed. I haven't looked at it. I promise you, yeah, I wanted to be surprised on this one as much as anybody else. So I'm going to open it. Now, there isn't really that much to do in this one, even though we've got a nice big part. But yeah, let's open her up and see what we've got. So nicely packaged, I've got to say that. Okay, we've got some corner ends, they come in handy. And we've got some lovely tissue paper. Wow. So properly well packaged. Okay, and that's what we've got. So this is definitely wood. Got some weight to it, as you can see. So yeah, let's remove the packaging, put that behind me. And this is what we've got. Now, to me, I'm looking at it from the front. I believe this is how this needs to go. And the first thing we need to do, now this is strange. Okay, so we turn it around like that. And we get this piece here that we've been working on, and then we get the other support from 102. So I'll get that out now. Oh, right, okay, so what it's telling us to do, it wants us to put this in first of all. But we need to feed the wires down through the channel in the middle. Okay, so we do that. And then we put that into place. Now it's got a location tab, so it only can go on one way, which is like that. Okay, and then we need to screw that underneath with the washer screws that we got in the previous issue. Now these are massive. I mean, wow. Okay, so if we turn this upside down, now we are going into plastic, but I think I'm going to need a bit of a chunkier screwdriver, which I've got here. Oh, that's going into it nicely. Oh, that's definitely the screwdriver for the job. I think I got this in the DeLorean. So, some of the screwdrivers you do get, I do keep. I do love my wearers, but I do keep them. Okay, so that side's on. So, what it's telling us to do next is these wires here. It wants us to run these down through this channel and then up through this hole in the middle. Just like that. Now, I think maybe me I'm just going to pull them through. I might just put a nice bit of strip of electrical tape on there, just to cover that wire. You don't have to do this, but it's just me being the person I am. So nice bit of electrical tape, just covers that wire, protects it, because if this is the bottom, the base of it, then I don't want anything causing any problems. So there we go, they're nicely now just hidden away under that electrical tape. Okay, so we flip this back over. Fantastic. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is we need to put this one in next. It doesn't matter which way this goes round, really. There we go. And again, we're using the same screws underneath. I don't mind doing bases for models. I mean, they do have to happen. But a little bit scared off since the Spitfire base, which was incredibly oversized. I'm glad I kept these screws out. Oh, wow, that's definitely got in there. I'm going to make sure they're nice and tight as well, because obviously the weight of the ship, you don't want these breaking off. And there we go, there we have it. Put that screwdriver back. And there we have the start of our base. Wow, looks amazing. Really, really nice. Maybe tempted to cover these here. These, you see that some holes here where we put these on. Might be tempted to put something over them just to hide them screw holes. But yeah, that is the start of our base. Looking amazing. I'm really chuffed with that. So that is issue 103 complete. Well guys, that's it for issue 103. That was nice and quick and really easy to do as well. I know I'll probably go a bit little bit overboard by putting some electrical tape, but I mean, if that's the base, then I don't want anything coming into contact with them wires at all, really. So if you accidentally put it on something you don't realise, then it's just better if they are protected with that electrical tape. You don't have to do that, but it's just maybe an overkill, really. I do love putting a bit of electrical tape on stuff, but it does look nice once they're all covered, so you know, it's a win-win for me, but you don't have to do that. It's just me being me. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.